another video. Today we're gonna make a rainbow candy and the rainbow. So all you need is some candy, some lollies. So over here we got Skittles, M&Ms, and Mentos. We're gonna make them form a rainbow in water. So let's get started! Yeah! Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. I have it. Okay. And Mama. Okay, so open the M&M packets, Mama. Yeah, this is gonna be a colorful experiment for our channel. Okay, so Mama, open the M&M. Please. What? That's a weird way of getting there. Your head hit your forehead hit the umbrella light.
Alright, can you start your stuff? Whatever you want to do.
Okay, so we're gonna have to put the Skittles in. Okay, so we're gonna now arrange our lollies. Yeah.
So what do we need to do now to make the rainbow?
So we need to put a little bit of the water in between the circle. Okay, so let's you do it. I don't know how to do it. I'm not really good at that much stuff. I am smart. No, Skittles first. Skittles are much tastier. Little. You have to wait for like 24 hours, like in our last video. Do we have to wait for 24 hours, just like in our last video?
No.
How much?
Just wait. For a few minutes.
Well, the Mentos aren't really making anything, but the M&Ms and Skittles, yeah, they're making something. How long do we have to wait for the Mentos? So, here it is. Beautiful Lolly rainbow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave a like on today's video and subscribe with notifications on, just like I told you in the ending of our last video. Bye-bye!